Begin. Open Google Chrome. Locate the Customize Chrome button situated at the bottom right corner of your browser window. Clicking this button will reveal various customization options. You will find a color selection area, where you can directly change the color of the address bar and other related interface elements. For a more comprehensive visual change, you can also choose a specific theme. Applying a theme will modify the address bar color and its surrounding areas, while the rest of the Google Chrome interface can retain a different theme. It is important to understand that when you are on the base Chrome page, these theme changes typically affect the entire browser. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.